खूबसूरत एक ऐसा टाइटल है जो जनरली हम बॉयज़ के लिए इस्तेमाल नहीं करते हैं, कैसा एडजेक्टिव है, लेकिन ये एक हैंडसम और खूबसूरत बेहतरीन कलाकार हैं
Sweet.
कि
Thank you.
मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि
And you're
हिंदी
a
सिनेमा
handsome woman. You can say that?
No,
You
you
can say you
can't.
can.
Really?
Yes. Same sort of thing.
Same sort of
Same
thing?
sort of thing.
Okay, I'll take it as a compliment
Of course it's a compliment.
I was about to say that, you know, हिंदी सिनेमा में इससे ज़्यादा खूबसूरत फैंटम हो नहीं सकता था.
That's very sweet.
Yeah.
Thank you. You know, but I mean, I don't know what to say. अभी मैं शर्मिंदा हो गया. I don't know. लेकिन कबीर खान भी काफी खूबसूरत हैं. नहीं? He's also
Kabir
a
Khan,
good-looking director.
really, he
Yeah.
is no doubt and handsome of the lot.
You have to be fitter than him.
Yeah.
It's not easy. Every day on set he was in a new look with his dark glasses and his army get-up. It's
So is he the inspiration behind the way you're looking?
Definitely. I mean, I don't know about right now, but in the film, he is a big inspiration.
इसमें ये लिखा है सैफ, I was just reading a story you wish were true. ऐसी कोई कहानी आपकी ज़िंदगी की आपको लगता है कि जो सच हो जाती, you wish it was true.
So many. I think like all of us, you always want a little more. I wish I was thinner. I wish I was, you know, living a nice, relaxed, peaceful life with friends and love and no work pressure and any of these things. You know, same sort of thing.
I mean, you still must be having a cool, relaxed, easy life. I mean, you can...
All the time, actually. Actually, too much. I'm just trying to think. I'm actually very happy. I'm lucky. I feel, you know, quite settled. But what do I wish was true? I just hope it carries on like this.
Right.
You know, I feel quite stable and secure. Some good work would be better, you know. Wasn't a very good year last year. I want to do some better films.
But you know, it generally happens. Some films do well.
At least with me, it keeps happening. It's always up and down.
So what I was saying, सैफ, कि एक बहुत लंबा करियर स्पैन रहा है और हर तरह की फिल्में आपने की हैं, चाहे वो कमर्शियल मसाला फिल्में हों शुरू की, लेकिन एक चीज़ जो कॉमन रही वो ये कि आपको हर अवतार में दर्शकों ने पसंद किया, जिसकी ये वजह ये है कि आप यहाँ तक इतना लंबा करियर चला पाए. मानते हैं आप इस बात को?
नहीं, I don't know. ये आपने फिर से बहुत अच्छा एक कॉम्प्लीमेंट दे दिया मुझे जो शायद मैं डिज़र्व नहीं करता हूँ. कोशिश यही की है, लेकिन मेरे जितने भी कंटेम्प्रेरीज हैं उनकी भी करियर इतनी लंबी. आप अक्षय कुमार को देख लो, you know, obviously the three Khans, वो तो even before me for so many years. So it's very possible to have a long career. तो इसमें कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है. Mine is not super long. I mean, it's the same as.
बिल्कुल मुझे इस वक्त याद आ रहा है करीना का इंटरव्यू करते हुए उन्होंने ये बात कही थी कि दिस सैफ इज़ अ वेरी पॉजिटिव पर्सन एंड उनकी जो पॉजिटिविटी है वो आसपास लोगों के ऊपर बहुत असर डालती है.
Well, I can be positive.
You're not positive all the time?
I mean, no, sometimes, you know, I think our profession is a little like that. Sometimes you get a little stressed out about work or about a release. So if a film does well, then you're happy. If it doesn't do well, then you feel a little, you know, bad. But generally speaking, I am positive. My outlook is positive. मुझे लगता है कि, you know, अगर दोस्त हैं, if you're comfortable in life, you know, इतनी ज़्यादा चीज़ों की भी ज़रूरत नहीं है हमें. I think we've been brought up nicely. Our level of what we want is not too much. You know, तो इतना भी मुश्किल नहीं है मुझे खुश करना और मुझे खुश रहना. You know, I enjoy being positive.
Right. और एक बात और है जो अभी उस दिन मैंने पेपर में एक ऐड भी देखा, फ्रंट पेज पे था. You both were looking really stunning. One of the very rare couple in Indian film industry. Both of the husband wife look really stunning. You know how you all manage within the four walls of house.
It's very difficult. I tell you, for me to try and manage to look good next to her, because she's very beautiful, and when the makeup and hair and everything's done, yeah, it's good, healthy living. Sleeping, exercise, all these things.
Coming out of the film,
if you don't look good, then you look really bad. Because no, I mean in comparison, you know.
But there's I don't think there's anybody who can really be compared to as a beautiful, handsome, lovely, or whatever, you know, the adjectives you want to use for it can be used.
Okay,
you know.
Well, great. You're very kind. Thank you.